Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a very simple banana bread. I've had these two bananas just sitting here, and why not put together a delicious banana bread for you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is just using a fork and just mash the bananas into some small pieces. Now you want to try to use bananas that are very ripe. You know, the riper they are, the more moist and the sweeter the flavors in the banana bread. So as you can see, these were pretty ripe. You can use 2 to 3, unfortunately I just have 2, so we're going to be using that. And now we have what we're going to be doing. Actually, let me transfer this into a bigger bowl. Right, and what we're going to be doing now is just combining our sugar with melted butter and our eggs. Just gonna whisk this. I'm a fork, but you know that's fine if you have a whisk. We'll use the whisk as well. That might be faster, so let's get that. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is adding our flour mixture. I have some baking soda in here with the flour and some salt. Then I'm going to be adding some JGM products, cinnamon, be folding in about a half cup of walnuts. So we're going to grease a pan and pour this into it, and then we're going to bake it for about an hour. I have about a 8-inch by 4-inch pan here. I'm going to grease it. A little bit of butter, so you grease it properly. You don't want your nice banana bread to be sticking when you're trying to get it out. Let's pour in our banana bread batter. Spatula. Right, and let's bake this for about an hour. So about 55 minutes later, we have a delicious looking bread, and it smells so good. I can smell that cinnamon in it, and I love cinnamon smell, the taste of it. So I'm gonna just let this cool for a few minutes, then we're gonna slice it up and eat it. So thank you so much for watching. As usual, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also share with all your friends and your family.